guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for my new subscribers and my new viewers, thank you for coming and watching. I really appreciate you guys. I'm so sorry I've been gone, guys. I've been so busy, but I'm back and I am excited to share this curling tutorial with you guys. So guys, I'm here to give you guys the tea on how to curl with a curling iron. It is super easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Whether you're curling with a curling iron on yourself or on your client, I am here to show you guys the right way and the best way to do it to give you those sexy curls. So first, what you need to do to get that beautiful, bouncy, sexy, grown woman look, first you would need to layer your hair. This is a very important step. When layering the hair just flows better. The curls just are more bouncier. Everything is it just comes together great when you layer the hair. So after we're done layering the hair, we're just gonna go in with some Fantasia spritz. I love this spritz. It's not a strong hold, but it's strong enough. And I'm just gonna start by combing the product in the hair, and then I'm gonna take my T3 curling irons and I'm going to curl backwards. Okay, so I'm gonna put the curling iron on the hair, clamp it on, and you're gonna always make sure that your the tail is the end of your curl. You can see me grabbing it with my non-dominant hand. I'm taking the end of that curl, which is the tail, and I am guiding it through the curling iron while I'm staying in that same place where I started. You're gonna make sure that is going towards the bottom of the curling iron, and then you're just gonna pin it up for a longer lasting curl. So that is the main part of the pins, to make the curls last longer. So I'm gonna demonstrate again. I'm just gonna show you guys the same exact step that I did with the first curl. So I'm just parting her hair right now. I like to curl the hair while it is still in its natural state. A lot of people, they straighten the hair first and then curl, but baby, that's too much. I'm not doing all of that. So just make sure you spray the spritz before you curl each and every time. So for the right side of the head, we're always curling backwards. On the left side of the head, we're always curling backwards. So we want both sides to go backwards. So that is what we're doing on this right side of her head. We're curling backwards. So make sure that when you curl, the tail is going toward the bottom of the curlers. Then you're just going to take the curl and pin it up every time. We'll be taking these pins out when we finish. So once again, I'm going to say this one more time, guys. So I'm going to part the hair. I want you guys to really get this curling tutorial because I know a lot of you guys have trouble curling your hair, and I want you guys to really get it, okay? So we're going to spray the spritz, then we're going to comb the product through the hair first, and then we're going to take our curling iron and clamp it on the hair, right? And then we're going to twist the curling iron, grab the tail, make sure the hair is straight going through the curling iron. Keep twisting and grabbing the tail, making sure the hair stays straight. And make sure that the tail is going towards the end of the curling iron. So towards where the cord is, okay? After that, you would just hold the curling iron in place, making sure that every strand of hair is hot and curled. And then you're going to let the curl go, and then you're going to pin it up. All right? So I'm just going to let you guys watch. For all my visual learners, I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'm going to be quiet. And then I'm going to come back in and let you guys know a little bit more tips that I have for you guys. Here's a tip, guys. Once you get ready to pin your curl, you must pin it the same direction that it's going. So once you drop the curl out of the curling iron, it's already in the direction that you're wanting it to go. So all you have to do is just pin it in the direction that it is going. Here's another tip, guys. Once you part the hair that you're going to use for your curl, once you part the hair out, the part needs to be the same size as your curling iron. So if the part is bigger than your curling iron, then it's not going to curl how you want it. Okay, watch me here as I pin the curl up, okay? So basically what I'm doing is just taking that whole curl that I just let go, and I'm going to wrap it in the same direction that it's already going, and I'm just going to pin it. All right, guys, so now that we're kind of on the left side of her head, we're going to do this a different way, okay? So instead of pulling the tail toward where the cord is, you're going to pull it through the curling iron the opposite way. And the reason being is because you want both sides going backwards. And when you get ready to pin the curl, you're going to pin it the opposite way, guys. So basically, I'm pinning the curls going backwards. I'm going to save that for the left side of her head, but right now we're still on the right side, guys. So watch me finish the right side. Here's how the right side looks. And now we're gonna go ahead and go to the left side. So now that we're on the left side, we're just gonna part the curls how we were parting them on the right side. But The only thing that is changing is direction of the curl. So instead of the tail going towards the cord, we're going to do it the opposite way, and it is going to go toward the top of your curling iron. You do have to still guide your tail through the curling iron because you want your curl to be as flat as possible. You don't want a crazy looking curl. It's best to guide your tail through the curling iron. And we're just gonna pin it up. And for you guys wanted to know what kind of curling iron I'm using, I am using a T3 curling iron. I forgot what inch it is, but I will link it in the description so you guys can check it out.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy.
All right, that was our last curl. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do her baby hair, guys. I'm not gonna do too much to her baby hair because this is her real baby hair. So I'm just going to make it look cute and classy. Plus, she got the sexy, bouncy, grown woman curls. So you don't want to do too much on the baby hair. For my new viewers, I am using Style Factor Edge Booster. I'm using this little cheap edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store, y'all. So I think it was only like $1. You can get these little edge brushes from Amazon or from your local beauty supply store.
Got her stuck like a holster. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda. I'm putting no crushed ice for my soda.
Now we're gonna go ahead and start taking the pins out of her hair. And guys, watch how these curls transform. Here, I'm just spraying a little bit of shine spray to give her hair a nice, sleek look and a little shine. Now, the best part, guys, we're going to comb the curls out. You can use a big comb, a wide tooth comb, or a small comb. I'm just using the comb that I was already using. Look at the body. Look at the body. Yes, curls. See what happens when you layer your hair? The curls just fall so good. Like, look at that. Ladies, stop being afraid to cut your hair in layers when you want curls. Like, it always gives when the layers are in the hair. The curls always giving, guys. So just make sure you always layer your hair when you're doing curls. You don't have to layer the whole head, just maybe like the front. But give your hair a little bit of layers. Look how these curls are falling. Even on the other side. Like, the curls are just beautiful. Yup, and my client definitely feeling herself. Now that I've launched the tutorial, finally, I really want you guys to comment below and let me know if this tutorial really helped you out. If you're a pro at curling now, comment below and let me know. I love y'all, and I can't wait to drop another video for you guys. If you guys need help, feel free to comment on any of my videos. I'm always here to help. And for all of my girls ready to make passive income, whether you're working a 9-to-5, you're a service provider, you want more time with your kids, you want more freedom, whatever it is, if you're ready to make passive income, just click the link in my bio and scroll down and grab your free guide to starting your passive income journey, guys. Do not wait any longer. I've literally made over $1,500 within my first few months, and I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to ship anything. I didn't have to spend extra money. It was $1,500 in profit, okay? Did all of this online only, selling digital products, guys. So get into it and stop waiting. I will be dropping more tutorials this week that's coming up. Thank you for 3,800 subscribers. I love you guys, and I will chat with you guys next time. Bye.